In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a pinup tumbler using our pinup tumbler kits. The kits are available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. We'll start by weeding the stencil to simplify use. Next, we'll apply the safe drinking mask to the top and bottom of the cup. With the cup masked, we'll need to prep the remaining surfaces for paint. We recommend thorough abrading and degreasing. Next, we'll apply a metallic steel colored base coat. For an added detail, we're going to give our cup the appearance of seams by masking off with standard painter's tape. Next, we'll apply some gradients over the seams and the top and bottom edge. Next, we'll spray some rivets. Using the female portion of the stencil, we'll spray a crescent in one half of the cutout. With our rivets laid out and cured, we'll use the male portion of the stencil to mask them back off and spray a gradient on the opposite side that we did before. Screws are done exactly the same way. Next, we'll add some victory tallies. For the aged and distressed look, we'll freehand on some details and rub it down with fine steel wool. Lastly, we'll place our appropriate Pinup Girl sticker in our desired location and remove the safe drinking mask. And that completes the Pinup Girl Tumbler Cups. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. You can also support this channel by visiting freedomstencils.com. Thanks for watching.